Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language of your CapCut PC app. So I think it's better if you just open up a project for you to do this. So select the settings tab on top here and go to the first one underneath all the ones with the arrows. Then you're going to go to the very right and you'll see a bunch of language to choose from. Select the language of your choice. They have a few here. Then you're going to hit that blue button and you're going to hit the blue button again, and it's going to restart the CapCut PC app completely, and it's going to now be in English. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!